bro, the beat is sick. Hey, the beat. What's up, guys? Welcome and welcome back. I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So, guys, I'm a bit, not bit, let's say I'm excited for this one. In fact, I know nothing at all about this particular guy, and he goes by the name of Sylvester Belt. Sylvester Belt, born November 26, 1997. So, bro is my age group, right? Professionally known as Sylvester Belt. Greetings, bro. Sylvester Belt is a Lithuanian. Forgive me if I'm pronouncing the name of the place incorrectly. So let's go again. Lithuanian singer and songwriter. He is set to represent Lithuania at the Eurovision Song Contest 2024 with the song Luktelk. So this is a song that I'll be reacting to, Luktelk, right? It's a live performance and I'm excited for this one. Guys, to be honest, the reason why I'll be doing this reaction, it's because these music never yet played in Jamaica. To be honest, I'm not really sure if these music ever played in my country. I'm not really omnipresent, so I won't know, but on my end, I haven't heard no one talks about these music or to play them. So in fact, I'm a newbie. I want to learn. I want to hear what he's capable of. I want to know the language because in Jamaica we speak Patois, not English. So forgive me if I'm having a bad English right now. So guys, without further ado, let's have an experience that others have been having. I want to learn something new from this guy. I'm a bit nervous but excited at the same time. So peace. Let's see what's up. Mad love. Well, well, well. His voice is so amazing. The vocals that this guy have right now, it's unbelievably good. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. It's good. It's really good. And you know what? Now I've learned to appreciate everyone in this world, right? Because I want to know, guys, what is this type of language he's singing in? Because I want to know. I love this language. It's cute, even though it's not understandably by me. I'm not really understanding what he's saying, but I'm not really here for that, bro. I'm here for the instrument. I'm here for the voice. I'm here for the performance. I'm here for all of that. It doesn't matter what type of language they are singing or performing in. I'm always intrigued to know how well they have sung their songs, how well they perform their music, and how well they carry out their performance. That's all. That's all. I'm just here for that. To be honest, and I'm literally stunned by what I'm experiencing thus far. So I am really feeling superb. Superb. Wow, the vocals are insanely good, right? I love how he's just there doing what he does best. Guys, it's my first time checking this man out, and I'm feeling like I know him from a ton time because that's what he displayed unto me. Something amazing. This is what we called an amazing performance. Right, bro? I'm from Jamaica and I love your music. You just earn a fan. You just earn a fan. Let's continue. Beautiful music. Beautiful. I love the way how he's just calm and displaying what he does best. Right? No, I can tell that what he's doing here, his core fan base or his supporters or the people who came out to watch him are feeling exquisitely great. I can see that everyone is dancing, jumping, having an energetic moment. It's quite astounding to look at, trust me. And I'm feeling literally welcomed right now to listen to this man's music, to listen to this man's language, because his language is just so cute and adorable, right? It's the first I'm even hearing of this country, right? Lithuania. 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 I don't even know how to pronounce it, but the flag looks so cool though. The flag looks like a flag that is a Rastafarian flag in Jamaica. It looks similar but not close enough because I can see that, well, it looked exactly like it because every one of the colors that is representing this flag is on the Rastafarian flag in Jamaica. So it's amazing. It's really amazing. Quite an informative situation.
Naktis viena, naktis kita, kaip visada. Aš vėl iš naujo rytoj, rytoj, rytoj. Pažadu mylėti tave rytoj. Visi, ar aš vis dar gyvas, ar tebe pažįsti mane?
Bro, the beat is sick. Hey, the beat, the way how he's just riding the beat, I can tell that he practices a lot. I could tell that he's doing it professionally. He's 26 years of age, like myself here, and this guy is doing a phenomenal job. A lot of 26-year-old people can't do what this man is doing. They might have tried something, but it never works. But this man is doing an exquisite job, bro. Compliment my G. This is superb.
Saulė nepakyla, pasakyk, kad liksi šalia. Luktelk, luktelk, dar viena minutė. Luktelk, 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 dar viena minutė.
Oh man, this is so remarkable. So remarkable. Oh man, I love the vibe. I love the vibe. I love the vibe. The vibe is vibing. I love it, bro. Hey, 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 hey. This is superb.
Stovime tyloje, grojančio radio. Nebenoriu šok, nebenoriu šok. Stovime tyloje, grojančio radio. Nebenoriu šok, bet man reikia šok.
Hey, I love his song. I love his instrumental that is playing in the background. I love the energy. Whoa, I gotta say, bro, music around the world that is different from my Jamaican music is amazing, right? I've heard an Italian song from Angelina Mango, and it is so beautiful. Wow, wow. I've heard a lot of music apart from my Jamaican music, and they sound so good. I'm happy to be in your country, guys. To be honest, I'm so happy. I hope you guys welcome me in your country. To be honest, I want to learn more. Let's continue.
Bet man reikia šok. Luktelk, luktelk, dar viena minutė. Luktelk, luktelk, luktelk,
Luktelk. Oh!
Jag är lite lukta, där du vill med min lukta.
Whoa, amazing performance, amazing music, amazing vibe. I love the way all this guy is just killing the stage, bro. He's killing it. He's hey! I gotta say, this was a great one, bro. This was a great one. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy this reaction, don't forget to leave a like on the video, smash a subscribe button to become a member of the Jamaican Reactor. And guys, I'm very much welcome to be in your country. So hopefully I can go deeper in your music. So please state the next suggestion that I should check out next by this great guy here, Mr. Sylvester Belt, and I'll be happy to give you guys another similar reaction to this one. So I'll see you guys there. Peace.